what's the plan?
Plan is, we will be meeting with a number of people preeminent in their respective fields.
You brought that madness into my life once. Never again.
Hi, puppy.
I think I'm losing my mind.
There are bigger sacrifices one might be asked to make than going a little mad.
You've gotten yourself mixed up in some really weird shit, Shadow.
Deliver me, deliver me.
You shouldn't trust him.
To the kingdom of
Good luck, Matt Sweeney.
And he will walk by my side.
War. It will be glorious, win or lose.
Please deliver me.